So in this video we'll try to see how to solve this permission denied issue when you use a GitHub. So for example, this is a Git which I'm trying to access. I'm getting this error. So how to solve this? This is applicable to any of the Git. So just go to the github.com and here you can click here and go to the settings. So you'll get this page. In this, go to SSH key. So here you have to add a new SSH key. So how to fill this key is, you come to your home path and then you type this command SSH keygen. So once you type this command, it will ask for the key you want. You can enter it. So once you enter, this is the key. So how to find out the key is, you go to the home directory from where you ran it, and you will have .ssh id.pub. Pub is the public key. So you open this file. You can copy this content here and give an add key. So that's it. Once you do this, then you should be able to access it. So we have done this. This is a Git. So now Git clone will start extracting. I have already extracted it. That's why you are getting an empty directory, because I'll just show. So this is what after adding the permissions. So this is applicable for any of the repo. You can try this. Thank you.